Delta 1542, Cincinnati ground, taxi via, or left air, taxi via Tango Juliet. Once you westbound on Juliet, contact ramp tower for your spot.
Tango Juliet and then to ramp, Delta 1542.
And ground, boy 4078, we're on the taxiway Tango heading down to 36 right as instructed. We got an aircraft in front of us.
Got a standoff at Tango.
I'm sorry, Delta 1540, just stand by on ground. Stand by.
And Cincy ground, good afternoon. Delta 4940 will be at spot 6, information Victor.
Calling ready taxi, stand by, I'll get right back with you. Delta 1542, at this point, stand by.
We're holding right here, Delta 1542.
Envoy 4078, is there any making a 180 or making a right turn there on Juliet?
It's probably a little too tight to make a 180 for us. If there's nobody behind us, we might be able to throw the reversers on, but we can't make the 180.
There's absolutely nobody behind you if you're able.
And ground envoy 4078, looks like we're not going to be able to do that either. From where we're sitting, it looks like Delta might have enough room to make a left turn there.
You guys can't just do a right turn on the taxiway there?
We're already past the intersection right here.
Yeah, Delta's unable to make a left or right. We're stuck where we're at as well.
Delta 2200, are you ready, taxi?
Negative. We have an issue with our numbers.
Okay.
Southwest 1347's ready, taxi.
Southwest 1347, Cincinnati ground, runway 36 right, taxi via Sierra.
36 right via Sierra, Southwest 1347.
Okay, Envoy 4078, so you're saying that there's absolutely nothing you could do to move, because otherwise we're talking about bringing a tug out.
Yes, sir. We thought we could put our reversers on, but there's just too much room to go backwards for us, Envoy 4078.
Okay, and Delta, same with you. There's nowhere that you can either make a 180 or head back?
Unfortunately, no. We are unable for the right or the left from where we're sitting, Delta 1542.
Alrighty, I'll start talking to ramp tower. I'll get right back with you.
All right.
Sorry, guys. Envoy 4078, ramp tower's advising you have plenty of room. I'm not sure exactly what they mean by that, but does that mean anything to you?
Alright, how about this? Have them send us like a wind walker. Maybe we can do it with somebody out there looking out for us, because we cannot see so much from here.
Envoy 4078, if you're looking for verification that there is nothing on the taxiway behind you in any way, shape, or form, I can verify that from the tower.
I'm not sure if I'll be able to make that right turn here with the radius turn for Envoy 4078.
Okay, then would a wing walker be able to help with that?
If I have somebody looking outside, maybe, yeah.
Envoy 4078 and Delta 1542, they're looking at getting an escort out there to we'll be able to look out there for you, Envoy.
Roger, 4078.
Envoy 4078 ground?
Yeah, go ahead from 4078.
Vehicle's in position. I'm not sure what you're waiting on. I mean, I don't mean to say that. I don't know if you are wanting to communicate with him or something else.
I don't know. Where's he at? I don't see him over here.
Ops 9, go ahead.
Hey, I'm right behind him. I don't think there's any room for him to take a turn to the right, so if I can run to the ramp real quick, I'll bring a tug out. It should be a quick pushback.
Well, yeah, absolutely, if that's what you need.
So I'll be right back. Thanks.
Hey, ground, Delta 1542.
Go ahead.
Is our ops talking to you at all?
No, not since I've called to ask if they had a tug 10 minutes ago.
Okay, here's the plan. Apparently they think they can get us hooked up to a tug and out of here and out of the way quicker than an Envoy can get their tug. So that's what they're planning to do.
I think I was stepping on the last part of that. Sounds great by me.
Alright, good. That's the plan that we've been told, and we'll prep for it.
Alright, thank you much for your patience.